Oh, hungry. What's in here? Condiments, garlic, onion, ketchup, mustard, salad dressing, mayonnaise. Oh, so hungry. What's this? Huh? Here's an egg. Maybe there's something in here. Oh, something easy. I don't want to cook a lot. Eh? Ramen. I like ramen. Beef ramen. Yummy. But it's not enough. Perhaps I can do more. Some cabbage, fermented bamboo. Is there anything in my freezer? Hot dog on a stick. French fries. What's this? Frozen shrimp. I think I can do something with this. But still, not enough. I need more. What else is there in here? What's hiding back? Dumplings. Dumplings. Perfect. I've got a lot of different dumplings in the freezer I can use. How to make store-bought ramen better. Hello everyone, it's Uncle Bill here. Thanks for coming by my kitchen. I'm excited to talk to you about a recipe here that's going to be a life changer for all of you who are looking for a quick meal, something fast and easy on those late nights at work. We call it ramen. Now I know a lot of people, they go to the store and they get these ramen packets and they're boring and dull. They've got a little seasoning in there and yeah, they're nice for a little quick pick-me-up, but I'm going to show you something that I do every time to just take this up another level. Stay tuned. Hello, and welcome to Uncle Bill's Kitchen. What we have here are some frozen shrimp, some fermented bamboo shoots, a number of different types of dumpling. As you can see here, none of them are the same. They have a couple different fillings, really good stuff. I've got one large egg. I've got a standard beef flavor ramen that you can get at any supermarket. And I've got some leftover cabbage here. I think this is going to be good. First thing we're going to do is we're going to throw 4 cups of water into a pot along with our frozen dumplings. We're going to hit that up to high, and then we're going to bring that to a boil. Meanwhile, let's go ahead and prepare the rest of our ingredients. I like to take about 2.5 sheets of this cabbage, and I'm just going to chop this into bite-sized pieces and set it aside. Next thing we're going to do is get our bowl ready. As you can see here, there's a little space for you to open up the packet. Just take out the seasoning packets and put those in your bowl. Very easy, guys. Just like that. All right, set that aside, do some cleanup. Let's go ahead and take our egg and put that into a dish to prepare for later. Meanwhile, we've got our water boiling. We're going to keep an eye on our dumplings, but we're also going to throw in our frozen shrimp at this time. We want to get those fully cooked. And we're also going to add in our cabbage. Give that a little stir. And keep things at a simmer while you hit that YouTube subscribe button and let people know how much you like what we're doing here. All right, we're going to keep an eye on this. As you can see, everything's different sizes, so they're going to cook in different lengths. These dumplings are a little bit smaller. They finish a little quicker. The other one, just a couple more minutes on that. We're going to let that go. As we're letting those dumplings and shrimp cook, we're going to go ahead and take out our vegetable. You can use cabbage or broccoli, any vegetable you've got in the pantry or in the fridge. We're going to put that right into our bowl with our seasonings. Just like that. See? Don't be afraid. All right, this dumpling has finished. Let's take a look at this shrimp. Now the great thing about this shrimp is it's doing a couple things. It's cooking in the water, but it's also seasoning the water with a little seafood flavor. So you're gonna give yourself some additional umami flavor. Now I'm running out of water here, and so I'm just gonna add a little bit more, turn the heat up to high, bring that to a boil, and as you can see, our shrimp are cooked. Now it's time to cook our noodles. It only takes 3 minutes in boiling water. Alright, 3 minutes have elapsed, and we're going to go ahead and take our noodles out and place them in that same bowl as the seasoning and our vegetable, our cabbage. Now it's time to poach the egg. I like to do it old school, so I start the water going in a circular motion as you see here. Then drop that egg right into the center and hit that like button, because you know what? Uncle Bill is doing a great job teaching us how to kick up our ramen. All right, if things stop moving, just go ahead and put your spoon in there and keep it moving in a circular fashion, as you see here. Once the top of the egg becomes a little bit white, we're gonna go ahead and remove that. And it's time to plate. We're gonna put our hot water that we've been cooking everything in directly into our bowl. And we're gonna take some chopsticks and we're gonna go ahead to the bottom of the bowl where all that seasoning is and just start stirring it around. Just move it around until the liquid becomes a color like this. Lightly brown. We're gonna go ahead and add in our shrimp, our fermented bamboo. These are so good. And we're gonna go ahead and throw in the rest of our dumplings. Oh, this is so much better than just regular ramen. This is a meal. This is how we do it in Taiwan. This is how we know how to cook to make something that's gonna give you a nice fill on those cold days. All right, now for the final piece de resistance, we have to taste. First thing I like to do, and my wife will say this is sacrilege, but I like to break that yolk. Just let that creaminess go all throughout that soup base, give it a nice little texture of thickness. Mix all of those bamboo shoots in. Oh, so good. Let's try this soup out. Oh, it's so good. It's creamy from that yolk. And the soup base gives it that beautiful beef brothy texture and flavor. Let's see. The vegetables are perfect, crispy, not soggy. The noodles done just right. Guys, you'll never look at ramen noodles again the same way. Trust me. Just a little bit extra time. Throw some dumplings in there, a little vegetable, an egg, some shrimp, and you're gonna be in heaven, I promise you. Thanks for coming. Make sure you stop back again. Thanks for stopping by Uncle Bill's Kitchen. We hope you enjoyed today's episode. For each and every one of you who have been sharing our recipes on your social media, thank you from the bottom of my heart. It's obviously making a difference on our channel and we really appreciate it. If you haven't subscribed yet, please consider it. It lets you get a notification every time we have a new video come out. It's absolutely free and it helps our channel a lot.